Okay.
The top spin, I think, is another one of those figures with a name that maybe is confusing because it doesn't seem to be spinning. But it's a really good dodger. It's a really good thing to get you out of trouble if I'm too close to the corner or there's a couple in my way and I need to turn around.
Mhm.
It's always taken from a feather finish or a feather ending or a feather step. So whenever we have a feather, and we always finish our feather carrying on to the slow that follows it.
Okay.
I'll do the feather finish. So any of your feathers, you can come back now.
Okay.
I'll stay back here. We just change one thing and then we repeat the feather finish. So I'm dancing a feather finish. I make one change here. I stay on my toes. You are allowed to put the heel down, but I'm going to keep on the toe for now. I'm just going to change one thing right there. I'm going to put my left foot backing line of dance with the thighs together. So my girl is still right here.
Okay.
From here on, I'm repeating the feather finish. So if I'll do the entire reverse turn. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Now instead of carrying on, I'm just going to change the alignment of this foot across it here, and that's another feather finish. Now in this case, because of where I danced it, it would take me against the line of dance.
Okay.
In that case, I might repeat my top spin. So that would look like this for dance reverse turn. Feather finish, becoming a top spin. Here's another feather finish, becoming a top spin, coming out. So I used it to buy myself time until I had room to go. If I'm dancing it in a corner,
Mm-hmm.
I'm dancing it because I'm running out of space. So now one top spin is enough. I can now dance an open telemark, or a reverse wave, or a reverse turn.
Okay.
So in relation to the girl, the lady, right here would normally swing through. I don't want her to swing through. I want her to stop in the feather position. So again, her heel might touch down if my weight moves a little bit more, but I don't want her to move through. I want to trap her leg, change her alignment, and continue on. So when you do a multitude, it looks like a lot of quicks and confusing, but there's actually only one step that changes from the feather, and that's this. Then you just dance a feather finish again.
Okay. Okay.
Now, when we're dancing in the syllabus levels,
Okay.
we can't add anything to that. We
Okay.
can dance a top spin, we can repeat the top spin if we need to. But what you've seen when you were watching competition this weekend,
Yeah.
sometimes you saw a combination in the open level of a top spin because the couple is already into their feather and they need a top spin, but they may add just a series of little chasses.
Mm-hmm.
So, for instance, this time I'll dance a feather ending, turn it into a top spin, and maybe put a few chasses onto it, from which I could then also dance a feather finish.
Okay.
You may also see a top spin coming back this way with the lady outside, like a weave, and then continue on.
Oh, okay.
So in the open levels, you'll see some of these, what I call dodgers,
Uh-huh.
handy little ways. The top spin maybe being the start of it, and then going on to another figure.
Okay.
But in the syllabus level, we'll have to dance it right into a feather
Okay.
finish.
Okay.